Welcome to No Nonsense Travel Tips. When you're applying for a visa, most of the countries require you to provide a proof of accommodation, and it can get very tricky sometimes to meet all the requirements for the stay, which includes it should be a fully paid and a confirmed reservation, and it should not be a cancelable booking. It should be a non-refundable, non-cancellable reservation, and it should cover for the entire trip. For example, if you are applying for a 1 month long visa, you should have an accommodation which is booked for all those 30 nights. And the proof you provide should include the name of the applicant, the accommodation address, contact details of the accommodation, dates of your stay, and a booking reference number. Now, it can get very tricky when trying to provide a document meeting all these requirements, but at the same time, you want to safeguard yourself. You do not want to commit to a reservation in case your visa application gets rejected. And in this video, I will show you how you can book a reservation which meets all these criterias without putting your money at risk. There are two options in this regard. The first one is booking.com. Booking.com is not a suitable option. Let me quickly jump on to booking.com to show you why I say that. Now, key thing here is we want to book a cancelable reservation. So once you have entered your destination, your dates, and when you scroll down on the left hand side, you will see an option free cancellation. So it shows only the accommodations which offer a free cancellation. So let's check this out. When you go into that hotel details, although it is offering a free cancellation, but you do not pay anything until a few days before the stay, which isn't suitable because you want to have a document where you have paid fully for the accommodation. On the other hand, the other option is pay in advance. You can pay it right away, but then it is non-refundable, which again defeats the purpose. And for that reason, booking.com is not a suitable option when trying to get an accommodation proof. So the other option is Airbnb, and I will show you exactly how you can book such a stay on Airbnb, which is fully paid and is fully cancelable as well, if in case you choose to stay somewhere else or your visa application gets rejected. Let me quickly jump onto Airbnb and I'll show you exactly how you can book such a stay. Try and do this from a computer because Airbnb phone app is going to give you limited options. Once you're on Airbnb, just enter your destination and the dates and search. And in the search results, you want to go to filters on the top right and then scroll down and choose this option, free cancellations, under booking options, and click show places. Now this is showing you accommodations which are fully cancelable, but you'll have to pay for them right now, which ticks all the boxes. So choose one of these accommodations. So here you can see the check-in date is 13th of Jan and it is showing I can cancel it for full refund by 8th of Jan. Just click on reserve. Make sure the number of guests you have chosen matches your visa application. Scroll down and click on confirm and pay. Once payment is all done, it will land you on this screen where it will show your upcoming reservation here. Just click on the reservation and on the left hand side, just keep scrolling down until you see this option, get a PDF for visa purposes. This is exactly what you are looking for. So click on that option and then it will ask you for the guest names who will be traveling. Just enter the name of the people who will be traveling with you in comma separated list. Click next and then choose the language. I will choose English here and click on save. That will prompt you to download the PDF file. Click on save and it has downloaded a document on my computer, and this is the document which meets all the criterias of that. It has the check-in and checkout date, who is coming, and the confirmation code of the reservation, address of the property, who's the host, and the amount paid. Nowhere on this it shows it is a fully cancelable reservation. Visa authorities usually verify the documents you provide, so they can happily go in and confirm with Airbnb that this is the confirmation code and it is a fully confirmed reservation. And this document is purposely designed for visa applications, and you will have no problems getting your visa if you use Airbnb for such purposes. And once you're all done, once your visa application is approved, feel free to go in and cancel the reservation. All you need to do is go back to the same screen and click on cancel reservation. It will prompt you to choose a reason, click on continue and follow the prompts to get a full refund on the amount you have paid. So in summary, Airbnb is the right choice when it comes to getting an accommodation proof for your visa document. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.